Hi, Larry here at Chesapeake RV Solutions. We got a new one for you. New floor plan from IBEX, which is Forest River RV. And this actually has more of the new vehicle style wrap graphics. Electric awning. Channel rail for your flat top griddle, a little work table there. What I like though, they have a new beast mode suspension by Kurt. Also the solid steps going up in. Give you a look around the side. Pre-wired for a backup camera. Black tank flush as well. Small slide. It's actually Schwintek slide. Let's go in real quick. See what IBEX has to show us. 19MSB. And it does have the Asdel. It is set up with solar power already. And this, again, with the suspension, is definitely an off-grid package. First thing you notice is your 12-volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator. This countertop, I love the butcher block look. Nice accent lighting down below. Convection microwave oven. A vacuum. I love the looks of that countertop. Tire pressure monitor system in here as well. 12-volt television. Your Murphy bed with that blue accent lighting. I like that mat behind the couch. That's a Murphy bed, so that breaks down flat, so you can lay that bed down. You have another sleeping spot here if needed. Overhead cabinets. Murphy bed down just to show you. It does have that front windshield. And one thing I like as well, LED lights in the wardrobe. It's pretty cool. Coming into the bathroom, your foot flush toilet, your vanity. Also, you do have a corner spa shower in here. This actually comes with a shower miser. Your tank heat pads, your charge controller, and your tanks monitoring. Can't get over this countertop though. Wow, that is a nice look. Especially with that little chairs there.